outlet and golf course. We're gonna come back through there on Tuesday or Wednesday. Mama Margaret and Alicia, Mama E, George, we close to y'all. This is vacation 2023. Y'all, I have not been on vacation in so many years. Oh my goodness. So it just feels good to be out and riding. It's Friday. It's the weekend. I ain't got to go to work next week. I'm fancy free. My daughter's driving. And I'm just enjoying myself. Hey everybody. Yeah, see, we still haven't gotten the principal yet.
That was fun.
But the tunnel in Virginia, man, going from Richmond to
That was underwater or what?
I don't think that was underwater. No, nah, it wasn't. It was the water on each side.
Oh, yes, you know what?
It's on this side.
This side.
Okay. But the one on Virginia, I mean, it's on either side. Yeah.
This is all the water now, so look at that.
Y'all haven't been up this way in years. It's been a while. It really has.
Oh, because I turned my phone on.
Now we are about 50 minutes from Orlando. I'm vacationing, y'all. We're in Orlando. Headed to the theme park.
Mom can explain. Mommy, I'm McDonald's.
I know, babe. Just wait a minute.
Just pass it.
I passed the McDonald's. I didn't.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto West Osceola Parkway.
That's the chocolate on it. You eat the kid egg cake? No, the one smells like chocolate.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto West Osceola Parkway.
Y'all, this was a very spontaneous trip. It was my grandson's 7th birthday, and we decided to surprise him with a trip to Disney. He was very, very excited. He kind of had an idea where we were going because we were there with a party. We had all met up from different areas, from Houston, Louisiana, Massachusetts. We'd all met up, and the other family had gone early that morning. Let's be honest. I'm transparent here. I could not do but one day of the party. So the next time we go, we're gonna plan. But I'm gonna tell you something. My grandson may get it for a birthday trip, but it won't be his month of July. It was extremely hot, but he enjoyed himself. And I really did too.
Finding yourself.
Great things.
So how does
annual pass holders or stay?
Ricky, hold on, sponsored in a minute. If you leave something, don't fret. Remain to let me know if check when you lost, where you lost it, and we'll get it for you.
Awesome.
To those of you on board, please do sit back and relax. Driver, clear for dispatch.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Alrighty, folks, welcome aboard this Villains Courtesy Tram. That's right, you folks are honorary villains today. That's because you parked in the Lot Star. That is Lot Star.
Can you see it? Uh-oh, that's
There are Heroes Trams out. Those will take you to the wrong side of the parking lot and probably waste 20 minutes of your night. So make sure that you remember that you're on a Villains Tram right now. Headed from Scar, Villains Tram from Scar. Write that down, starting your break, whatever you need to do. Make sure you don't waste 20 minutes of your time later tonight.
Be close to the cat.
Don't get too sad too fast. Great ride at the mall, does continue on. That's right, the ride's so nice you have to ride it twice. At 12:30, the final tram, bringing you back out to your car in the Villains lot for Scar. Below the park, make sure you're on board that Villains Tram by 12:30. On your right hand side right now, there'll be a set of empty silver handrails. It's where we'll park, it's where we'll drop. It's where we'll drop you off, it's where we'll pick you up later today. The one with the silver and red umbrellas, it's the Villains load unload zone. If you get back on a tram there, you guarantee that you are on the correct tram back out to your car later today. Make sure you join us here later. After we do make this U-turn and come to that full and complete stop, please do disembark to your left-hand side and left-hand side only. That'll be the side with the silver handrails, with the transportation and ticket center. Everything and anything, including yourselves, will soon be on that left-hand side. To those of you waiting to join, please do remain behind that yellow line just as you are. Wait for that full and complete stop and allow the folks in the row in front of you to disembark before you begin that boarding process. There's that full and complete stop, folks.
All right, y'all. So we on Ad Motors to take us to Magic Kingdom. So we climb up top. We're riding the top so we can get the panoramic view. And it's hot out here. Ooh. You can see Magic Kingdom is there in the background.
Ahoy, mates, and welcome aboard the Admiral Joe Fallon. We will be arriving at our destination in just a few moments. On our way,
It's a nice breeze out here, y'all. Even though it's hot on that water, it's a nice breeze in the sun. It actually feels like it's a fan or something. Yeah, there's one going back.
So when the cat has got your tongue, there's no need for this veil.
Yeah, we draw you. So you can go to the ferry or you can go to the trail. And so we decided to take the ferry.
we are now approaching our destination and will be docking momentarily. For your safety, please stay where you are until we are safely docked and the captain has given the all clear. Because this is a free floating vessel, we do have a tendency to bounce around a bit during docking. If you are standing or sitting on the stairs, we ask that you please clear the stairway. Everyone else, please remain where you are until we have completed our docking. Once again, please clear the stairways. You'll be given an all clear when it is safe to travel the stairs and go ashore. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las escaleras.
Board's at 9:30. Yeah. Getting ready to dock, y'all. Go jump a little bit. Huh? Thank you. Sitting here bored and won't take a boat ride. Oh my God. You know what I wanted to get, and I should have gotten them those cooling fans for running. Oh yeah. It's so bad. I mean, it would have been cooler, but he wasn't home.